to Instagram account from hackers. Follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram. Go to settings. Go to security. Click on two-factor authentication. Yeah, get started. Yes. Using text message, click here. Enter your number. After entering the number, click next. Check the number. Check your phone. They have sent you the confirmation code. Type the code here. This is my code. Check yours. Click next. Now two-factor authentication is on. Now you click done. They will give you recovery codes. This code you can use them to log in to your account if you didn't receive the code. Anytime you want to log in. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Two-factor authentication is on using this phone number that ends with 3464. Okay, now you can go back. You are done. Now your Instagram account is safe. Thank you.